I'm Todd Hudgel with MarineMax in Panama City Beach. This is the all-new Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. This is state-of-the-art in offshore fishing, family fun, and entertaining. It has Boston Whaler's new Outrage hull for an incredibly smooth dry ride, making the boat safer and more comfortable for your days on the water. This particular example here in Panama City Beach may be the best equipped 380 Outrage in the world. It has the optional tower, which gives you a great line of sight for docking, for finding fish, for seeing floating debris. It not only makes you safer, it helps you catch more fish. Of course, it has joystick docking. It also has joystick controls in the tower, making docking a breeze in just about any situation. The Mercury joystick system also has an integrated autopilot, which interfaces with the electronics of your choice, saving you money when you put together the electronics package of your dreams. Last but not least, this boat is equipped with a Seakeeper gyroscope system to stabilize the boat. It'll reduce or even eliminate roll to give you the most comfortable fishing days you can imagine. Come down and check out this state-of-the-art fishing and family fun boat at MarineMax, Panama City Beach.